Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 have stereo speakers. Now, to check if the Poco C75 have stereo speakers or not, just open YouTube. Now from here, just play any music. Now as you can see, when I block the bottom speakers, the sound gets blocked, which means the Poco C75 does not have stereo speakers. The Poco C75 only have one speaker at the bottom. And this is how you can check if the Poco C75 have stereo speakers or not. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.